is 8.46. This is the lithium batteries that I have that I will put in this battery pack that I built. It has a voltmeter here, and then I will put this in this battery holders inside. You can remove this easily. I didn't fix it so that you can easily recharge it using an external charger if you need to. These are the wires that disconnects the voltmeter and the connectors on the right. This one, when you press, there will be an output in the voltmeter. This will save power because I don't need to display the values of the battery on the voltmeter always because it will consume power. I don't want to drain my batteries. Here, I'm now putting the batteries on its holder. Now, let's see. Now, the 6 batteries are fixed and somehow, let's see the voltage. It's 8.47. It's fully charged. I need to put some fillers here because the batteries are kinda shaking. Because it doesn't really fit, it's not press fit on the enclosure. So I need to put these fillers, styrofoam fillers, so that it will not shake inside. Just need to be careful on this one. So we need to put it on the left side. Then on top, we will put another filler which is made of styrofoam as well. Now we can put the cover and then let's see. We have the DC jack input here, DC jack output I mean. And then let's check the voltage. It's 8.46. I hope you find this video useful and interesting. Please don't forget to like and subscribe on my channel. Thank you.